The approval of several exchange-traded funds based on spot Bitcoin by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission is a major accomplishment for the industry, and Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse is celebrating this news. Prominent figures in the industry, such as Brad Garlinghouse, who is the CEO of Ripple, have responded enthusiastically to the decision, viewing it as a significant step towards the legalization of cryptocurrencies as an asset class. The president said that this is a time whose importance is immeasurable. By removing the complexity and risk associated with direct ownership of the cryptocurrency, a new era of investing opportunities is about to dawn thanks to the legalization of Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds, which include prominent trusts. Investing in Bitcoin has never been easier than with these exchange-traded funds offered by TFS. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, was hopeful that this new finding will encourage more institutional investors to participate in and use the cryptocurrency system. He thinks that if Bitcoin finds more practical uses, the attention will shift from speculation to actual use, further solidifying the asset class's legitimacy. Steve MC Clerk, who is the co-founder of Valkyrie Funds, made a comment after the launch of Bitcoin spot ETFs that hinted at the prospect of Ethereum and XRP ETFs. You revealed this information today. If you ask McClurg, the market is ready for your product. New benchmarks being smashed, newly authorized exchange-traded funds are taking part in a domestic spot Bitcoin ETF run by BlackRock. On its first day of trading, Ethic might make around $2 in assets, which would be a new record. According to estimates, these funds have the potential to acquire assets worth up to $4 billion on day one and $50 billion within 2 years. A lot of people would probably take notice of these monies. Quantpedia FinTech News was the original publication site for this piece. Bloomberg analyst writes that XRP ETFs won't be allowed this year because of legal battle with SEC. Bitcoin exchange traded funds and the strategies used by various issuers were recently discussed by James Sefford, who is an ETF analyst at Bloomberg. Sefford noted that a great number are utilizing a wide range of tactics to entice investors. Several ETFs aim to appeal to a younger, more tech-savvy generation, while others take a more traditional approach, catering to the baby boomer generation. In an interview with Thinking Crypto, he discussed the importance of ticker symbols. Some ETFs, he said, are made to resemble memes. Several exchange-traded funds may be forced to close their doors in the next 12 to 24 months, according to ETF Sefford, who warned against favoring any one of them. In terms of the people taking part, he stressed the need of partnerships with major banks like Jane Street, JP Morgan, and Goldman Sachs. He went on to say that these institutions' involvement shows the exchange-traded funds are legitimate and helps them be more effective and liquid. They can't convert existing Bitcoin into ETFs, according to CFSET, because of how ETFs generate currency. Anonymity around the question of whether ETF registrants have started to amass Bitcoin led to this action. In his opinion, the first few days of trading following approval would see a substantial influx of buyers. Regarding the prospect of XRP or Ethereum ETFs, FTF-CFART noted that the presence of regulated futures markets makes Bitcoin and Ethereum stand out. He voiced his doubts about the likelihood of XRP being legalized in 2024, pointing to the persistent legal hurdles as an explanation. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are in a league of their own because of the possibility of their approval this year. So far, I have been explaining to everyone that this is my take on things. In my opinion, XRP is the only long-term solution, but I do not see that happening this year unless the legal issue is fully handled. They have not yet withdrawn their legal challenge to this. This is far from done. Regulatory uncertainty has not stopped Ripple Labs from initiating a share repurchase program valued at $285 million, bringing the total worth of the business to $11.3 billion. Meanwhile, the Securities and Exchange Commission is suing Ripple, a virtual company famous for its XRP, announcing the acquisition of $285 worth of firm shares from early investors and staff. Ripple Labs made the announcement on January. Thanks to this acquisition, the company's overall worth reached $11.3 billion. Through the tender offer, investors have the opportunity to sell a maximum of 6 of their investment. To confirm the buyback, Ripple released a statement stating that $500 million would be reserved for the purpose. According to sources in full on January 10, 2024, the company will be valued at $11 billion after paying the taxes associated with the app and converting restricted stock units into shares. The fact that whales observe humans could pique your attention as well. XRP's value is boosted by discussions about spot ETF. CEO Brad Garlinghouse has stated that Ripple plans to buy back shares on a regular basis to increase investor liquidity. The business, however, is avoiding any immediate plans to go public in the US due to regulatory worries. The company currently has over $25 billion worth of cryptocurrencies, mostly XRP coins, and over $1 billion in cash on hand. Now that Ripple has won a court battle against the SEC, a US district judge has ruled that selling XRP on public exchanges does not constitute an unregistered securities offering, which is a huge win for the company. This change is a direct outcome of the achievement. The breakout of key resistance levels by XRP can signal the beginning of a bull market. The 50-day and a 100-day exponential moving averages posed problems for XRP, but it overcame them. An eagerly anticipated increase in funds allowed for this to happen, for traders and investors hoping for a change in market sentiment after the launch of ETFs. Bitcoin exchange traded funds sent prices of other cryptocurrencies soaring. This breakthrough, followed by the first major green candle since the beginning of the year, paints a positive picture. There is a strategy behind the recent surge in XRP's value. A contributing factor to Ethereum's stratospheric ascent to a price of $2,500 is the renewed faith of investors. The fact that XRP has crossed the 50-day exponential moving average is significant because this is the main signal for assessing changes in the local trend. It is commonly believed that this technical occurrence indicates the asset is preparing for a long upward surge. A strong closing above this level could lead to more purchasing pressure since traders frequently use it to indicate the start of a bullish phase. In most cases, this level is utilized to validate the start of that phase. A growth scenario becomes more plausible if XRP maintains its position above the 50 exponential moving average EMA. Typically, a break above the 100 exponential moving average is interpreted as evidence of longer-term market confidence, which the asset could achieve. We can make this circumstance stronger due to the fact that these technical indicators have come together. The price of XRP seems to be about to experience a significant surge. Today, the price of XRP experienced a significant spike of 6.5, which is a move that mirrors the euphoria that has been created in the cryptocurrency market as a whole by the SEC's historic approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF. The most prominent cryptocurrency exchange in South Korea, Upbit, made a major transfer of 22 million XRP, which had a value of approximately $13.13 million. This upswing was further enhanced by this transfer. Whale Alert, a blockchain transaction tracker that is widely used, was the first to record the movement, which sparked curiosity among members of the XRP community. As a result of the substantial amount being moved from Upbit to a wallet that has not been disclosed, doubts have been raised over the reason for what was done. Data from BitHop revealed that the recipient wallet, which was established in September 2023, immediately disseminated the XRP among prominent exchanges such as Binance, Bitchit, Bybit, and BingX. This information added to the mystery surrounding the situation. To be more precise, its current balance is slightly higher than 951,703 XRP. That's all for now.